We're here in Campbelltown, which is the start of Lake Leake Road in Tasmania. The Lake Leake Road unfortunately has high motorcycle trauma. Motorcyclists are an extremely vulnerable road user, so when things go wrong, the consequences are severe. There's been 14 motorcycle crashes here in the last 5 years that have been recorded by the police, including fatalities, serious injuries and minor injury crashes. The SAFE system is the approach taken by the Tasmanian Government to achieve zero trauma on Tasmanian roads. The SAFE system recognises that humans make mistakes, recognises the human body is vulnerable, understands the biomechanical tolerances of the human body, and says that we must have a shared responsibility for road safety. To achieve zero motorcycle trauma on the Lake Leake Road, we're going to need every element of the SAFE system working at full capacity.
There's an argument to be made that perhaps if they're too closely spaced, you don't get a chance to see them. Again, this one's tightish.
So what we do in a motorcycle safety audit is get experienced riders. We kit up their motorcycles with instruments which measure vertical deflection, vertical acceleration, horizontal acceleration, G-forces, speed, temperature, and a whole lot of other variables that we can measure to understand any characteristics of the road environment that may have contributed to crashes in the past and may contribute to crashes in the future. And so then if we identify these, we have the ability to either engineer them out of the road environment or to warn riders early on that there is something unexpected coming up. One of the most important things about undertaking a motorcycle safety audit is to engage with riders. Traffic engineers, road designers and others have great understanding of road technology and the engineering of road environments, but sometimes don't fully understand what the riders themselves feel and need and require on the road.
No advisory speed signage there, but the facing of the cameras was way up there. They were too close together.
The Lake Leake Road is a fairly high standard of roadway. Most of the curves have very good crossfold, so the camber is good. The shoulders are in good condition, the line marking is good, and there is some signage out there. It has very nice sweeping bends. It's got a gentle undulating alignment. It's got low traffic volume, so it makes the perfect place for riding, especially when you consider the beautiful scenery. So we're at the Tasman highway end of the Lake Leake Road. We've done our first segment of instrumented riding. Our riders came back with some very interesting comments, things associated with the road curvature, the use of advisory speeds, the use of chevron alignment markers, the spacing of guideposts, some areas where there's been some rocks, some gravel that has washed onto the road. And so we've been able to capture that information, some commentary and some notes from the riders on how they felt the ride was. We'll be going back to the offices, comparing that with the data that the cameras have picked up and the instruments have picked up, and we'll be able to then piece together some changes to the physical infrastructure on this road to improve motorcyclist safety. We've got a variety of stakeholders here, and they will be giving us inputs into the other elements of the system. We're going to get some valuable insights from the riding community and others in the industry. They will become champions for safety on this road and back in their workplaces for other initiatives for motorcycle safety and road safety in general.